Good evening, South Mississippi. We do have some rain chances in the store for tomorrow morning, but currently temperatures sitting about 62 degrees, and they're going to remain about 62 degrees because the rain chances are actually brought on by a warm front that's moving through the area. We're going to see increasing cloud cover through the night, and those rain chances are going to begin tomorrow morning just in time for your commute. Temperatures right now, Biloxi sitting about 62 degrees, Bay St. Louis 62 as well, Pascagoula and Perkinston both about 61, but those dew points are very high, close to the temperatures, and that means that we have lots of moisture in the atmosphere to work with. WLOX 24/7 radar showing lots of cloud cover and even a small little rain event happening on the border between Mississippi and Alabama. And as we look offshore, we can see really where all those rain chances are coming from for tomorrow morning. Offshore Louisiana and Mississippi starting to bubble up towards the coast area, but as we look further to the west, we can see really upstream some really serious, severe weather over here on the coast of the Gulf Coast by Texas. This low pressure system and its warm front are actually responsible for the rain chances that we're going to be seeing tomorrow morning, and that's why our temperatures are not going to dip off too much. And as this low tracks to the east, we can see some rain chances develop for tomorrow. Now, we do have a slight risk for severe weather for the Gulf Coast, and that's going to come with some damaging gusts possibly, and perhaps an isolated tornado. Nothing too serious, but it is something to watch. It is something to be aware of. Don't leave your house unless you absolutely have to go to the store. It's going to be thunderstormy weather. Right now, temperatures in Gulfport about 64, 58 in Memphis. Now notice over here to the west, there's a pretty large mass of colder air, not nearly as cold as the last couple of Arctic blasts that have been tracking our way from the west, but colder temperatures nonetheless. We will see a small dip by Tuesday as the cold front passes through our area. And then just in time for Thanksgiving, we're going to have this low pressure system, again with another warm front associated with it, start rolling through Mississippi by Thursday and dipping temperatures back up to about what they were originally today and yesterday. IP Casino Resort and Spa Tower Cam showing lots of clouds overhead, and Golden Nugget Tower Cam showing lots of clouds as well. The Futurecast showing as those clouds roll in, we can start to see some severe weather headed our way across the Mississippi to Louisiana border. By about 5:30 this morning, we can start to see some isolated showers popping up, and as that band moves through Sunday about 8:30 a.m. is when it's going to pass through. These clouds are going to start rolling out by noon. We're going to have start to see some clear skies finally, some welcome change from the rainy weather that we're going to be seeing tomorrow morning. Rain totals are going to be about ½ inch to about 1.5 inches. This model is showing some lesser rain on the coast, a little bit heavier on the rainfall in places like Wiggins and Poplarville on the interior, but realistically I believe anywhere between ½ inch to 1.5 inches is likely for most of the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Tonight's lows are going to be pretty much like they are right now. As I said, that warm front passing through is not going to let temperatures dip off that much. 62 in Biloxi, 62 in Gulfport, a little bit cooler on the interior, 59 in Wiggins and 60 over here in Poplarville. As far as tomorrow's highs, we can expect to get pretty warm. 74 degrees in Biloxi and Gulfport and Waveland as well. A little bit warmer even on the interior, 76 in Wiggins and 75 in Poplarville. Offshore, please don't take your boats out. We do have a small craft advisory for both offshore and the Mississippi Sound with some heavy winds out of the southeast, 15 to 25 knots in the Sound, 20 to 25 knots offshore, and some heavy seas. Tomorrow we're going to see some rain early in the morning, but it's going to clear out for the rest of the week. Plenty of sunshine just in time for Thanksgiving. 61 is the expected high, 43 the expected low, and temperatures are going to drop off just a little bit into the weekend. Joel?